Hello juniors, bonjour. Let's do your notes for the 7th of November, Sunday. Right, let's start off with some time expressions. Well, expressions used with time. We did it a few weeks ago. Let's just revise. So, I will be back by 5 p.m. So, will that person or will I be back at 4:30? Yes. 4:55? Yes. 5? Yes. 5:01? No. Why no? Because it says by 5. I will be back by 5. So, the same way I will be back by Monday, or give me your assignments or submit your assignments by Monday. So, before or on Monday, not after that. Right. Number 2, I won't be back until 2 p.m. I won't be back. I will not be back until 2 p.m. Not before 2. So will I be back at 1:30? No, of course not. 1:59? No. 2? Yes. 2:01? Yes. And 5? Yes. So I won't be back until 2 p.m. So I will be back after 2, not before 2. Number 3, I will be back no later than 3 p.m. No later than 3 p.m. So before or at 3, the same way. No later than Monday, no later than March, no later than whatever. So 2:45, yes. 2:59, yes. 3, yes. 3:01, no. And number 4, the pigeon said, I'll be back no sooner than 5. So, focus what he has said. I'll be back no sooner than 5. So, 4:30? No. 4:59? No. 5? Yes. And 5:01? Yes as well. Alright, so that was that. Please revise them again and make sure you understand all of them and remember all of them. Alright, let's go on to sentence construction. Okay, so what do you think you will have been learning this time tomorrow? That is not correct. Why is it not correct? First of all, like I said, do you and you, will you, that's not possible. Right, next is, what do you think are you going to do this time tomorrow? Again, the same problem here. What do you think are you going to do? You can't have two questions in a question. Right. What do you think you will be doing this time tomorrow? Please remember, this time tomorrow is the biggest clue. At that moment, when it is at that moment, at this moment, you have to use the continuous or the progressive tense. There is no other option. Why? Because that's how it is. It's at that moment, at this moment, right now or right then. It's very specific. Right, let's go on to number 2. Do you think are you going to do abroad? This sentence doesn't make much sense. Do you think are you going to do abroad? Are you going to do what abroad? It's very unclear. It's not finished. It doesn't have much meaning. Do you think you are going to watch abroad? Okay, do you think you are going to watch abroad? Watch what? What are you going to watch? Right, so again, it's incorrect. Do you think you will ever work abroad? Now we are getting somewhere. Do you think you will ever work? It's a question, it has some meaning, it has a specific point. It's not pointless, it's not meaningless. And number 3, how many children do you think was coming? First of all, it says how many children, that's plural. So do you think was coming? Nope, sorry. You have to. Were, if it were, yes, I would still understand. But do you think was coming is just not correct. How many children do you think are you seeing? Again, are you seeing? It doesn't make any sense. How many children do you think are you seeing? Again, you are asking two questions in a question. That is, first of all, that thing is not correct. How many children do you think prefer chocolate over strawberry? Now we are getting somewhere. Now that is correct. How many children do you think prefer chocolate over strawberry? All right. Let's go on to the final part of these notes. So understanding simple past, simple present, simple future properly. I know you know it, but we will understand it like we did on Sunday, right? So did plus verb is the past tense, simple past. Do plus verb is the simple present. Will plus verb is the simple future tense. All simples. Right. Example 1, did go. Right. What's the short form of that? Went. Okay. Do go. And the short form of that is simply go. And will go. There are no short forms available. You just have to say will go. Alright. Like I said, in the future, we might have some short forms, but at the moment, we do not have any short forms. We have to say will go. Alright. So, example number 2. So, let's do the future, present, and the past. All simple. Mind you, will wake up is the past. Wake up is the present, simple, and do wake up. Both have the same meaning. The same way woke up is the past, and did wake up is the past as well. Both have the same meaning. So we had future, present, and past. Same way write. Will write is the simple future. Write or do write is the simple present. Wrote and did write is the simple past. Same way. Will learn, learn, do learn, learnt or learned, and did learn. All right. Will go, go, do go, went, did go. And will not go. Okay. Do not go. Did not go. We don't have any shortcuts or short forms or quick forms for these. Not negations. Alright, so you can negate, you can shorten this, do not go, you can shorten it to don't go, and you can shorten did not to didn't go, but there is no one word replacement. Alright, so like wrote, there is just one word, so there's no simple. You can always shorten it. Will not go, you can shorten it to won't go. Alright, but that's about it. Alright, so question number 1, did you eat dinner? So yes, I did eat dinner. That is the full, or that is the complete and correct sentence. Yes, I ate dinner is the shorter form. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct now. You can use either. Number 2, do you eat dinner? Present tense, again simple. Yes, I do eat dinner. That's the full and correct sentence. Yes, I eat dinner. That is the short or the quick form. And number 3, will you eat dinner? Future tense. Yes, I will eat dinner. That is the full and correct sentence. We do not have a short form. Yes, I eat dinner is not correct. Why? Because it is the short form over here for present tense. That's why we cannot use it for the future tense. Otherwise, we will not be able to differentiate between the future and the present tense. So that's what I said. English is getting shorter and shorter. Why? I told you why, and now you understand why. But do not forget to understand all these tenses, all this stuff, all this grammar properly. We have to go back into a little bit go back a bit, that's all I can say, and we have to understand how it was before and how it has evolved over time to become shorter, but a bit more confusing to understand. Alright, that's all for today's notes, juniors. Please write your notes down, watch the other batches videos, and watch the other videos that I'm putting up, and see you in the next one. Bye bye, adios.